In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start making money on social media? Keep watching to learn more about how to make money on social media. Hi, my name is Ashley. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to make content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get to it. Here we go. How can you make money on social media? There are many different ways you can make money on social media, each with its own earning potential. Did you know that some people make money on social media as content creators and influencers by featuring brands in their posts? One survey found Instagram influencers make about $2,900 per month by working an average of 29 hours each week. Social commerce, meanwhile, has also opened the doors to direct sales via platforms including Facebook and Instagram, this making it possible to sell directly to customers from the social media platforms they're already on. You can also make money indirectly on social media by using it as a sales platform to promote your own products and services and drive traffic to your own e-commerce website. As a creator, you don't need a massive following to earn money on social media. Smaller influencers can start making money on social media with as little as 1,000 followers. However, generally speaking, the more followers you have, the more money you stand to make. According to Hype Auditor's data, the sweet spot seems to be 500,000 to 1 million Instagram followers, although there's opportunity on all ends of the spectrum. I am going to tell you some of the best ways to make money on social media as a creator. You can make money on social media even if you don't already have an official business. You just need a few followers and some spare time each week. I will now give you some tips on how to make money with social media as a creator. So, the first tip I want to give you is to partner with businesses or brands. Partnering with brands to create social media content and campaigns is a great way to earn money on social media because it's a flexible option with many approaches. Plus, working with brands is a great way to legitimize your influencer marketing business and appear professional to other potential partners. Many social media creators have found success through brand collaborations. Oftentimes, people use social media as a side gig, which is to add extra money to their income from a full-time job. You don't need lots of spare time to pursue this path. When you partner with a business and a brand, it's important to position yourself in a way that meets their needs. Think about what a brand would want from a collaboration. Now, according to one survey, brands' top priorities are the influencer's personal experience with its product, authenticity, the quality of content, the number of followers, and the audience demographics. I suggest that you be prepared to share this information up front. You can create a pitch, deck, or press kit that highlights this information and showcases your best posts. I would suggest that you may consider sharing analytics about your reach and engagement and case studies of past collaborations if you have them. Brand partnerships are a great way to make money on social media. I don't advise you to do this too much. About 80% of people will unfollow accounts for posting sponsored content more than a few times a week. So remember to maintain a healthy mix of engaging content and sponsored posts. The next tip I have for you is to become an affiliate for a business or a brand. Affiliate marketing is a passive way to earn income for recommending products and services on your social media channels. Companies and businesses pay you a commission in exchange for every sale you refer to the business. You can use your social media platforms to earn money as an affiliate marketer by sharing your unique referral codes and links in your posts. And the best part is you can start affiliate marketing with no money. Many social media influencers and content creators frequently share affiliate links for brands that they like. They then earn a commission in exchange for every customer who makes a purchase using the link. Sometimes affiliate links also include a discount as an extra incentive. I want you to keep in mind one thing. Not all affiliate networks and programs are the same. Each network has its own fee and payout structure, among other guidelines. The best affiliate programs offer healthy commission rates and frequent or instant payouts. I would like to suggest that you always do your research to find the best option for your goals. The next brilliant tip I have for you is to sell your own products or services. If you have a strong presence and a loyal following, you may want to consider turning it into brand merchandise. Social media is an excellent channel to promote products, whether driving people to your Shopify store or selling directly via social commerce and tools like LinkPop. Let me tell you about a lady called Julia Roblin, who is an artist from Winnipeg who turned her TikTok success into a product-based business opportunity. She started posting her tattoo ideas and quickly created an audience of more than 500,000 followers. When people demanded her designs on products they could purchase, she launched a Shopify store to sell merchandise in the form of stickers, apparel, and tattoo templates. This has been a workaround for TikTok's strict creator fund restrictions. You do not need extensive experience to make and sell merchandise. In fact, you can outsource everything from product design through to order fulfillment. You can even work with third-party print-on-demand suppliers who can manufacture and ship your products to customers on your behalf. I want you to keep in mind that each social media platform has its own parameters when it comes to selling products on its platform. Julia found a way to use TikTok to promote her merchandise business venture. Let me give you another tip, which is to offer premium services or online coaching. You can make money on social media selling consulting or coaching services. If you're a skilled social media marketer, you can monetize these assets via a service-based business. There are many avenues you can take with this business idea. You can choose a specific niche, such as helping product-based businesses create social media plans or coaching professional photographers on how to prep their photos for their feeds. The possibilities are endless, which makes this a great option to make money with social media. If you want to offer social media services, I would suggest that you start by building your own website. You can showcase your services and portfolio, as well as customer testimonials if you have them. I would suggest that you consider bundling your services into packages, which will protect your time and prevent your relationship turning into one akin to an employer-to-employee relationship. Here is something that you can do. Perhaps you offer a certain number of posts for a flat package fee, or you conduct an audit for a set rate. Social media is an excellent channel to make money as a brand. While it used to be solely a platform for promoting your products and connecting with customers, new features and advancements have elevated it into a place of e-commerce. So, the next tip I have for you is to promote sales and special offers. Everyone loves a good deal, and social media users are no different. Discounts, sales, giveaways, and special offers give customers more for their money, so it's an extra incentive to purchase. Plus, with limited time offers, create a sense of urgency, giving an extra push to buy now instead of later. You can offer discounts on your entire website or limited to specific products, categories, or collections. Sustainable swimwear brand C, for example, often uses its social media accounts to promote the sales on its Shopify website. When it comes to promoting discounts on social media, you can offer codes in exchange for an email sign-up, as an incentive for social media engagement, or even exclusive deals to top customers in your close friends list on Instagram. I would suggest that you don't go overboard when it comes to discounts. If you run promotions too frequently, you may completely dissuade shoppers from purchasing anything at full price. Instead, they may choose to wait for the next inevitable sale. You want to keep the promotions to special or seasonal events, and in support of specific business goals or marketing campaigns. By following these steps, you can start making money on social media. If you need help starting or growing a profitable online business, go and click the link under the video now and go to my partner website, the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. You can get access to online training courses to help you develop your digital skills and provide you with all the knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. That motivates me to make more content for you. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Facebook. You can find the link to the Facebook page in the description under this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.